Hey guys, TJ with Windshield Fitters and Rock Chip USA. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are asking if you can repair side glass, door glass. Yes, you can, as long as it's a laminated one. So we're gonna be doing this quick combo repair. I'm gonna show you how to do that. This is from a Ford truck, and we're gonna be using a glass wheel kit. Alright guys, let's start by taking the temperature of the glass. The recommended temperature is between 70 and 100 degrees. Make sure it's not too hot. Alright, so we're gonna grab our steel wool and we're gonna use it on the glass to remove any contamination on the surface. You want to put your UV shield right on top of the damage so we don't have any premature curing. You want to grab your glass weld suction sealant, and all we're going to need is a little drop on the suction cups. Then you're ready to place it on the glass. So we're going to put this on real quick, make sure it lines up. Then grab your UV shield and fold it over it like this, and make sure the little hole is right on top of where the injector goes. So again guys, make sure your suction cups are on good. You're going to be doing this on a door glass, so it's almost a 90-degree angle. You want to make sure you don't drop your bridge and damage your equipment or even damage the customer's car. So make sure that's on pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna load my Zoom with 2020 gray. And we're gonna put our seal back on the injector. Trying to do this one-handed. Then you want to make sure your resin is flush. Let me try to focus the camera here with the seal. There we go. See if you can see that. Kind of hard to focus the camera here. This is why I love the Zoom. To just put it on there, and it slides down. So guys, again, put your UV shield first before you put your injector on. Alright, so after our vacuum cycle, we're going to inject the resin in the crack or in the combo chip. Alright, so it looks like we got a little leg crack over here that doesn't want to fill in, so I'm going to push it down with my probe. Just flex it a little bit. And watch that resin fill that crack leg. Alright, we're going to check all our crack legs, make sure they're all filled in. So everything looks filled in. Now we're going to put an ultraviolet light on it, and we're going to cure under pressure. Put your ultraviolet light on top. And we're going to plug it in. And we're going to press our timer. So when the light stops blinking, that tells you you can remove the UV light and go on to the next step. Alright, so our light has stopped blinking, so we're gonna remove it. We're gonna release the pressure of our injector a little bit, and we're gonna remove it. Put that to the side. I'm gonna put the UV shield on top of it. Alright, so you wanna scrape off some of this dried up glue, and then we're gonna put pet resin on top of it. And then we're going to place our ultraviolet light back on the rock chip. Alright, so we're going to take this off. And we're gonna get our pit polish that pit. There you go, guys. You can repair door glass as long as it's laminated.